Hello guys, how's everything? My name is Marlon, our frequential window cleaner. Today we're doing this is the second residential job that we are doing today. Now we are currently doing the pressure washing the pool, the driveway and the walkway. This is the second residential one. The first one we just did is just window cleaning, another residentials. And actually our second job that we're doing right now is actually the referral to all my customers, like good friends. So they refer me to her that I doing a great job for doing window cleaning, pressure washing. So they did that, and we're here as well for you guys. You guys take care of your customers. Just think about the service that we are giving to them. So they are very, they will be keep coming back to us if we are doing a great job. Anyway, that's it, guys. I'll appreciate your subscribes and likes on my channel. So we'll keep in touch and see you guys again. Take it easy. Have a great day.